Having covered itself with glory at the four corners of global war, the sturdy Jeep rolls off the Willys Overland assembly line in civilian garb. This post-war model will figuratively turn the swords of war into plowshares of peace. While retaining the exact power plant of its military brother, it will be immensely more versatile. Gear ratios have been adapted for heavy hauling.
Here you have it. 1947 Willys Jeep CJ2a, saved from the crusher. Painted in Luzon red, universal beige wheels. It's registered and inspected and on the road again. Some upgrades like directionals, 12-volt system. Been working on this for a little over a year now with the replacement body tub. Broken glass, and all kinds of interesting activities. What you'll see here, it's back on the road again, runs and drives for all this time. Let's take a look under the hood. Yeah, you'll see we have our 12-volt system. Oil bath, our oil filter. We upgraded to a PerTronix efficient alternator. We have a OE style radiator. Engine's been completely rebuilt. Carburetor's completely rebuilt. All new wiring. All new brake parts. Sounds really good. I want to thank everybody for following along with me, and thank all the other YouTubers out there for all the great videos that you had that helped me out with this process. It's been quite the journey for sure. But I'm happy that we were able to save it. This is a part of history, and it's something that future generations can now enjoy. Its first 75 years were a lot rougher than hopefully what the next 75 years will look like for it. And because of that, I'm proud to say that I think this will be around for a long time to come. We preserved it, we did a good job, we used as many OE pieces as we could find reasonably and cost effectively. We refurbished where we could refurbish, and we replaced where we had to replace. And frankly, we upgraded where it just made sense to upgrade. So thanks again, everybody. Appreciate you joining in, following along, watching. I hope you stay tuned to the channel as we have other videos coming with other Jeeps. I'm going to go take a spin now and enjoy the Jeep.
Beep beep.